Is NFL network down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with NFL network right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have this issue. So if you try to go to Google, to your favorite browser, and search for NFL network down, which I will do right now, just like this. And then if you go here on this site, you will see that many users have reported some problems at NFL Network. Most reported problems are at the video streaming app and live channel, and right now there are over 7,000 reports. Also, if you scroll down, you will see that some people are commenting. Oxybelis said right a few seconds ago that it's not working. Also 2 minutes ago. So in conclusion, you are not the only one who has this problem. You don't have to worry about it, and you just have to wait until they fix it. If you too have this problem, you can comment in the comment section down below on our YouTube video. You can like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.